What do you do when you feel you have nothing to wear? Have you thought about making your own clothes? Because I did. Hey guys, welcome to a new video by yours truly, Delaya B. If you're new here, I'm a Los Angeles-based fashion designer for minimalist women who have a street, edgy vibe and an eye for detail. Now, if you want to know what it's like to be a fashion designer, how clothes are made, or how to use your passion to create your best life, you should probably subscribe right now. So like I mentioned earlier, what do you do when you have nothing to wear? I know we rifle through our closet, take things out, try and mismatch things, but at the end of the day, you just may not be happy about your outfit. So what I've decided to do was to kind of make my own closet, I guess. So I've challenged myself to make my own capsule wardrobe. I'm calling it the DIY Capsule Challenge. Is that corny? Anyway, so why am I doing this? After having my child and gaining weight, stretching things out, and just getting rid of old stuff, I'm finding myself not having much to wear. So I don't have that many clothes in my closet. I kind of wear the same things on repeat. And I just need something to, liven it up. Put a little, style in my wardrobe. Like, as a designer who kind of likes clothes, I need to spice it up a bit. I'd like to spice it up a bit, Also, I want to get out of my comfort zone. I'm a very t-shirt and jeans type of person. Like, I'm rocking that all day, every day. But, sometimes you can freshen it up. Add something. Take something away. I don't know. Something new. So, challenge expectations. After this whole challenge is done, I want to look back and see if, these expectations or challenges really happen. One of my challenge I feel I will have is consistency. Just me actually consistently making myself clothes will be a challenge. It's not like I'm not important, but I have other things to do. I have a kid, Another challenge will be design difficulty. I'm very picky. I'm very simple, but I'm very picky. I am not my target customer. Like, I don't design for people like me. That sounds weird. I don't design for people like me. My design aesthetic is a little bit more complicated, more detail oriented, and that is not something I wear. Or it's not something I've worn thus far. Like, I'm not going to Bloomingdale's or Farfetch or Net-a-Porter, and I don't know if I said that wrong, to buy clothes. So my style has always been simple. It's what I've always looked at, with a little pop here and there, but overall I'm very difficult to please, so that is going to be a challenge. Time is also going to be challenging. Kid, family, 9-to-5 job, it's going to be very slim working time. So planning. That is key. Planning and execution. Discipline. Those are also key. So yeah, that's going to be a challenge for me. But I think I could do it. I know I can do it. I just got to do it. And the last challenge is, of course, making it. I'm doing a capsule collection. Granted, it's not like I'm trying... Well, no, I guess I am trying to do it in a certain amount of time. So there's that. Wow. I've made everything that goes into a capsule collection. It's just I've made it on a nice industrial machine at school years ago. Well, the challenge is going to be making it up to my level of standards. Let's be real, home sewing machines aren't that great at quality. I'm going to be a little worried. Just a little bit. I'm going to do my best, but I'm just going to be a little worried in quality, like construction quality. And that's also going to make me mad. A 10 by 10 collection, which means it's 10 pieces. So there's t-shirts, button-ups, jackets, blazers, and all that. So just, just making it. The coats and the jackets will be the hardest. I also kind of have to figure out what my style is. I kind of know what I like, but I've never had a closet centered around that. I should figure out what my style is before I go hard in this. Yes, I'll be figuring out what my style is. Alright, so if you want to follow along with this challenge, you have to be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll be notified when all the new videos come out. This challenge will probably last through the end of the year. According to my plan, it's lasting through the end of the year. So to be sure that you catch everything that I make, like the t-shirts, the long sleeve t-shirts, the skirts, the dress, the jacket, the coat, the whatevers and whatevers. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of them. You can also follow along with me on IG. I'll link it down below in the description. On IG, you get the live behind the scenes, like, yo, I'm up at 3 o'clock in the morning making this shirt. Like, what am I doing? Chances are that will happen. So if you want to stay connected and just be a part of the creation of this DIY capsule challenge, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I am at the Delaya B. Now, I want to hear from you. In the comments section, I want to know, what do you want to see me make? Do you want to see me make a camisole, a gown? Please don't make me make a gown. Some jeans, whatever. What do you want to see me make? Let me know in the comments section, and I might just try it out for this challenge. Next week, I am talking about what a capsule wardrobe actually is, / figuring out what my capsule wardrobe will actually look like. So if you want to be a part of that video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you later.